Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. Whenever and wherever there is a recline in a religious practice, O descendant of Bharata, and a predominant rise of a religion. At that time I descend myself. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. To deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants, as well as to re-establish the principles of religion, I myself appear millennium after millennium. One who knows the transcendental nature of my appearance and the activities does not upon leaving the body take his birth again in this material world, but attains my eternal abode, O Arjuna. Being freed from attachment, fear and anger, being fully observed in me and taking refuge in me, many persons in the past became purified by knowledge of me, and thus they all attend transcendental love for me. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. As all surrender unto me, I reward them accordingly. Everyone follows my path in all respects, O son of Pritha. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. Men in this world desire success in fruitive activities, and therefore they worship the demigods quickly of course may not get a result from a productive work in this world. According to the three modes of material nature and the work associated with them. The four divisions of human society are created by me, and although I am the creator of this system, you should know that I am yet the known undoer, being unchangeable. There is no work that affects me, nor do I aspire for the fruits of action. One who understands this truth about me also does not become entangled in the productive actions of work. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. All the liberated souls in ancient times acted with this understanding of my transcendental nature. Therefore you should perform your duty, following in their footsteps. Even the intelligent are bewildered in determining what is action and what is inaction. Now I shall explain to you what action is, knowing which you shall be liberated from all misfortune. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. The intricacies of action are very hard to understand. Therefore one should know properly what action is, what forbidden action is, and what inaction is. One who sees inaction in action and action in inaction is intelligent among men, and he is in the transcendental position. Although engage in all sorts of activities, Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. One is under to win full knowledge, whoever endeavor is devolved of the desire for sense gratification. He the said by Sage to be what I got for a woman. The reactions of what have been burned up by the fire of perfect knowledge. Abandoning all attachment to the result of his activities, he was satisfied and independent. He performs no fruitive action, although engaged in all kinds of undertakings. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. Such a man of understanding acts with mind and intelligence, perfectly controlled, gives up all sense of proprietorship over his possessions, and act only for the bare necessities of life, thus working is not affected by sinful reactions. He who is satisfied with the gain which comes of its own record, who is free from duality and does not envy, who is steady in both success and failure, is never entangled, although performing action. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. 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 Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri